Hey, so it's April 4th, and I don't know what that noise is. I don't know if you can hear it. It's really annoying. It's been going on for like the past 5 minutes now, and I don't know what it is. It's probably someone in the room next to me, but I don't know what they're doing, what's causing it, and it's really just kind of starting to tick me off a little bit. Moving on, we'll see if we can talk over this or if this is going to really affect the sound. I got another fish today, and none of my fish are in the. You can't see it, can you? So there's the tank. None of the fish are in it. You really can't see it, but most of them are in this bowl. It's up here. And then the new one is in this bowl right there. Right there. He's right there. Cute little guy. I really like my goldfish. They're kind of the most exciting thing in my life right now, which is a little bit sad. But I like them and they're entertaining, and I have a TV. But I haven't even watched a movie in so long. I can't remember when. It was before spring break. I think it was in January, actually. Last time I watched a movie on my TV or did anything with my TV. But, I watch my fish a lot. That fish I mentioned yesterday, still can't decide if he's dead or alive. I added a bubble stone to my aquarium, and I'm hoping that maybe getting the water flow up will make him decide to be alive. And I decided to stop treating for fungus because it doesn't seem to be helping any of them with any of their problems. And I got this other stuff that's supposed to treat fungus and ick and everything. We'll see if that works. Not like you care, but those are my fish. 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 Bunny. Annoying sound. I have too many things. I think I'm gonna clean my room now and get rid of some things. Because I don't need to have so many things. I want to have few enough things that I can fit all my things in my car. So, I don't know how many things that's gonna be, but it's gonna be a Grand Prix amount of things. So that's how many things I'm gonna have.